In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TradingView Pro features for free. Whether you're just getting started with trading or you're looking to maximize your analysis tools without breaking the bank, I've got just what you need. Let's begin by exploring the easiest way to dive into those pro features without any upfront costs. The 30-day free trial offered by TradingView itself. To start, you'll need to sign up for a TradingView account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, head over to the TradingView pricing page. Here you'll find various premium plans to choose from. While each plan has differing features, picking one to start your free trial is the key step here. When you're all set to start your trial, be prepared to provide your payment information, either a credit card or PayPal. Rest assured, it's secure and the goal is to cancel before the 30-day period is up to avoid any charges. Mark the date on your calendar, set a reminder on your phone, whatever works best for you to make sure you cancel in time. This way you gain all the premium functionalities, and as long as you cancel before the deadline, it won't cost you a dime. Now let's shift gears to another effective method to enjoy these top features without a cost: leveraging broker partnerships. Many brokers integrate TradingView into their platforms and offer premium features to their clients free of charge. To leverage this, start by checking with your current broker to see if they have any promotions or partnerships with TradingView. If you're in the market for a new broker, some, like FXCM Markets or Fires, are known to provide platforms rich with these premium features when you sign up for their services. This option is particularly beneficial if you are planning on opening an account with a new broker anyway. And finally, for those interested in accessing specific features, such as an ad-free experience or viewing multiple charts simultaneously, there are some creative solutions available. Consider using a browser like Vivaldi. This browser has built-in ad blocking capabilities, giving you a cleaner, ad-free viewing experience as you browse TradingView. Additionally, Vivaldi offers a unique feature called Tile Tabs, which lets you organize and view multiple TradingView tabs on one screen. This means you can analyze different timeframes or assets side by side, all without the hassle of flipping between tabs. It's a seamless experience that takes your trading setup to the next level without needing a premium account. With these strategies, you can harness the power of TradingView's premium features without spending a cent. Whether it's through a free trial, broker partnerships, or creative workarounds, there's a method suited for everyone's preference. Thank you for watching and happy trading.